Make sure Bluetooth is activated. Make sure you have the latest version of the Audio Key app. Go to Menu, then Connectivity Options. Tap AudioLink XT, and then Update. Put AudioLink XT into configuration mode by pressing the plus and main buttons simultaneously for approximately 2 seconds. The lights will begin flashing. Click on Next, and then Update. After the firmware update is complete, go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone. If AudioLink XT appears in the list of connected Bluetooth devices, remove it from the list by clicking Forget this device.